Welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to clear out a clogged sink, but we're just going to use more natural ingredients that can be found around the house. So this is actually my house. This is Mr. Go Clean Co.'s sink, and it's clogged with beard hair. So it's not draining properly, and the hair is coming up and sticking all over the sides of the sink. It's just a problem, but I was saving it for a YouTube, so judge me all you want. Anyways, I'm just gonna wipe up the hair so it doesn't get back down the drain, and then start by dumping a pot of hot water down the drain just to loosen up any gunk that's down there. Next, I'm gonna dump 1 cup of baking soda and then 2 cups of vinegar down the drain. The chemical reaction will start immediately and start eating away and clearing away anything that's stuck up in the pipe. Now we want to follow with another pot of hot water to rinse it down, the baking soda and the vinegar. So it's still draining slowly, so I just decided to pull out the drain stop. It's always good to investigate when things aren't working. So sure enough, it was coated in a mixture of gunk and hair and Lord knows what else. So I cleaned it up, and then I decided to repeat the steps of the vinegar and baking soda and hot water one more time just to see if I could get it moving a little bit quicker. So again, dump the baking soda and then the 2 cups of vinegar into the drain. And this time I'm just eyeballing the measurements because I just did it. So I'm confident, don't overthink the measurements, guys. Finally, 1 last pot of hot water, and the sink drained immediately. The internet can usually teach you how to fix something, so hope that helped.